Hey guys, it's Kimmy. What's going on? Your girl is up and getting out early. I just wanted to take a second and I got on my work gear today because I'm on my way out, but I'm getting ready to make my smoothie. And I wanted to just share a couple tips with you. I went to a store the other day, a market actually, and they were giving away older bananas. I wanted to show you this. They're giving away older bananas. So a lot of times when she first offered it to me, I was like, what am I gonna do with that? Not thinking, girl, throw that in your smoothie. So, cause I was busy rushing, running, and I was like, well, that's awfully nice to them, but what am I gonna do with these old bananas? So I want to give you a few tips today too. Don't throw out your bananas, because she gave me a whole bunch. Look, and I mean they're black, but you know what they say, the blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. The same thing with bananas. So I'm gonna use these two for my smoothie tomorrow. But don't throw anything out. If you got older avocados, throw that in your smoothie. Older, whatever. But today we're talking about bananas. So a couple other ways you can use these bananas is put it in the banana bread. Make a banana bread. Now a lot of you gonna push back and say, well, that's fattening. It doesn't have to be. You can use less sugar, less butter. It's a lot of ways to get the same result. You can take this and put it into your cereal, okay? Chop it up and put it in your cereal. Before it gets too bad, you can always chop this up and put it in a freezer bag. Make sure you peel it first and then put the banana in your freezer bag. Throw it in the freezer when you make your smoothies. You can pull it out. You can make a pudding with this, okay? You can find your recipe online. Maybe I'll even do one day. Make a pudding with it. Put it in your cereal. So there's a lot of different things you can do with this. If you have a baby, you can make baby food with it. And maybe for your grandchildren, you may not you might not have a young child in your home because you give these to a mom that's doing natural stuff. I even have a friend, y'all, she got a pig and chickens, okay? Her pig just died actually, but she had before the pig would eat anything, but her chickens eat anything. So you might have a family friend that has a farm or animals. A lot of people have chickens nowadays, so don't laugh. But they are eating this kind of stuff. So you can pack it up and give it to them. The point is, let's try to recycle and not waste anything, okay? Let's try to recycle. But the best way to use these bananas is going to be in your smoothie. I'm not going to make it with y'all today because I got things to do, places to go, people to see. But again, don't waste anything, guys. Again, you can have maybe you got old vegetables that you had from dinner the night before. Put that in an omelet, okay? So that's what I started doing. I started saving a lot of money from just not wasting so much. Because back in the day, in my mindset, kind of growing up a little spoiled, I'm like, I'm not eating that no more. Bye. Oh no, your girl saves stuff now and try to reuse it. Okay, try to reuse it. Sometimes with even meat, I bought a chicken really quick the other day from a Mexican store, and the juices, and they gave me a lot of onions and peppers and stuff. And my old me would have just threw that out. I'm like, wait a minute, I could throw that in my omelet tomorrow. Okay, so again, I'm just here leaving some tips with you, some gems, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and all that good stuff, because you know your girl be dropping gems. You know I'm dropping gems. Bye.